And then let's do question 512. 512 is easy. We're looking for sine 2 beta. And then this is equal to, according to our double angle formula, this is 2 sine beta cos beta. Okay. And then we managed to find our cos beta. Okay, we have our sine beta. So it's going to be sine 2 beta is equal to 2 times 1 over 3, and then times negative 2 root 2 over 3. Okay, and then what do we get? This can be simplified. Let's try to simplify this. It's going to be like 2 over 3. Trying to simplify this time, negative 2 root 2 over 3. Then 2 times negative 2 root 2 would be negative 4 root 2. Then 3 times 3 is 9. So sine 2 beta is equal to negative 4 root 2 over 9. Okay, that's the answer there.